Welcome to our educational video on evaluation and monitoring. Evaluation and monitoring are two essential processes in project management and research. Evaluation focuses on assessing the overall effectiveness and impact of a project or research study. Monitoring, on the other hand, involves tracking and collecting data throughout the project or research study. Evaluation helps determine if the project or research study achieved its goals and objectives. Monitoring provides real-time information to ensure the project or research study stays on track. Evaluation is typically conducted at specific milestones or at the end of a project or research study. Monitoring is an ongoing process that happens throughout the duration of the project or research study. Evaluation and monitoring work together to ensure the success and effectiveness of projects and research studies. Understanding the differences between evaluation and monitoring is crucial for effective project management and research. Dr. Philip Adu, a methodology expert at the Center for Research Methods Consulting, has curated this video.